to the chapter, brothers. The tide of battle has turned in our favor.
Battle ready status restored.
Rally point updated.
Frag grenade out.
Rally point updated.
Fire additional resources. Servo gun strike in progress.
We lost the advantage. Reclaim it at once.
Restoration complete. Servo gun engaged. Fragmentation grenade. Traitor destroyed. I am functional and hardwired for vengeance. Throwing frag. Reborn and renewed by the Omnissiah's power.
The tide of battle has turned in our favor.
A brother passes on into legend.
We lost the advantage. Reclaim it at once.
Camino line close and ready.
Corruption burns.
The tide of battle has turned in our favor.
My wounded flesh is renewed with steel. Let the servo gun do its job. Inserting fresh magazines. Our brother has fallen. Mission casualty locked.
Frag grenade deployed!
Show no mercy.
Corruption burst.
Let it stand! Amplify our banner!
Replenishing ordnance.
Our brother goes beyond the
Servo gun engaged.
Cash here. Releasing frag grenade! Deploying shock grenade! Bask in the Emperor's glory!
Restoration complete.
Inserting round!
Astartes, push for dominance.
Battle ready status restored.
We lost the advantage. Reclaim it at once.
Throwing frag. We sustained a casualty.
Shock grenade out!
Rally to point. Traitor destroyed.
3 minutes remain. Decimate them.
Reborn and renewed by the Omnissiah's power. Frag detonator out. Rearming war gear.
Rally point updated.
Shock grenade deployed!
Rally point updated.
Its Freya will honor his memory!